Shivam, I'm recording your interview experience of IIT Bombay, PhD in aerospace, right? And
Yes, sir.
all I know is, Shivam, you are a mechanical engineer and you wrote this GATE exam with aerospace. So that is a little interesting case. So I
Yes,
start
sir.
with your brief introduction. Shivam, अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं आप पहले, and then I start asking you about your experience.
Okay, sir, my name is Shivam and I come from city of Lucknow. I've done my basic school from till class 12th in Army Public School, Lucknow. And I've done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from SRM Chennai. And my cumulative CGPA till 6th semester is 9.16. And currently I'm in the 8th semester. In few days, I'll be passing out from the college. Also, in my final year, I'm doing an internship with the BASF private Catalyst India Limited in Chennai itself. So right now I'm in Chennai, sir, and I've wrote the GATE exam in the aerospace field and secured a score of 509 and All India rank 214. So with this score, I applied to
No,
aerospace
I'll cut you.
department IIT.
Shivam, I'll cut you here. I will ask you
Yeah, sir.
that how the syllabus of aerospace engineering is different from mechanical in GATE.
So the maths part is pretty much same, maths and aptitude. Then we have structures in aerospace. So there we have strength of materials, vibration, and aircraft structures. Only
Okay.
the aircraft structures part is different, sir. That is like you need to study few more new topics. Then, sir, we have aerodynamics in that, basic fluid mechanics, and then few more topics of specialized for aircraft aerodynamics. That is the lifting line theory and the finite wing theory. And then, sir, we have gas dynamics, that is compressible flow. We have that in mechanical too, but we don't get it in gate mechanical, sir. So
So,
that
so
is
I
that.
am. I think you left some portion for GATE exam, or you did entire syllabus.
Sir, I did the entire syllabus, but sir, due to time constraint, I left strength of materials itself.
Okay.
I focused more on all the aerospace topics. So one specialized which topic comes is the flight mechanics, sir. So that is a totally new topic, but it will be easy if you do everyday work. It will be easy to master
Okay.
that subject
Let me ask you.
for gate level.
Even if you would have written with mechanical, you would have got call from aerospace because mechanical से भी तो call आता है ना.
Yes, sir.
So what made you write
Yes,
it
sir.
with aerospace? I'm again asking you because this is something
Yeah,
which is new to me. Yeah. Why with aerospace?
yeah, sir. Sir, actually, during the second year of my college, sir, so that time we didn't have that much information of what to like how to pursue higher education in the gate as aerospace engineering, like MTech in aerospace or PhD in aerospace. So that time, sir, we just happened to have this sort to happen. Like I got to know the aerospace engineering syllabus, sir.
अच्छा. Okay.
And from there buying books and studying it. So,
Okay.
sir, by the time I came to third year, I got to know like even right with mechanical, but that time I lost interest in other subjects such as production and all, sir.
Okay.
So it was like got more interested in that, sir.
Okay. अच्छा
That's
शिवम
the
अब
only
no, because your
reason,
CGP is more than
nothing
9,
else.
right? Your CGP is more than 9. So अभी तक कहाँ
Yes,
कहाँ
sir.
से कॉल आया है तुम्हें शिवम?
Sir, PhD for IIT Bombay in aerospace, climate science, and also in the energy science, and IIT Gandhinagar PhD in mechanical, IIT Ropar PhD in PhD in mechanical. These
Okay.
five
तो
calls I have got,
कितना
sir.
इंटरव्यू हो चुके हैं अभी तक आपके? How many interviews you have faced?
Sir, 3 interviews.
Okay. So Shivam, tell one by one. Let's
Three,
share.
sir. IIT Gandhinagar.
So share your interview experience. Yeah.
Sir, what, sir? Can you repeat the
You
question?
you share your interview experience one by one.
Sir, I'll share with. Okay, sir. Sir, I start with the first one, IIT Gandhinagar, sir, PhD. So, sir, there I applied in the specialization of fluid mechanics only. That is hydrodynamics, instability, and all that, sir. So there was this professor working on new types of propellant, sir. So in SOP, I particularly wrote about that. So, sir, I guess I was shortlisted because of this only, sir. Because if with aerospace core you applied in the fluid mechanics, they will take you because it's a common subject in both mechanical and aerospace, sir.
Okay.
So my research, my interest area lies in that. So I applied for that and I got the call. So sir, in IIT Gandhinagar, they were focused more on my projects only, sir. The
Okay.
projects which I did in BTech, sir. So the most of the question were from that. I did a project in CFD analysis of wind turbine blade at various pitch angles. So they asked question from that only, sir. Like what were the results and how are these results applicable in the real life world? That's all, sir. This continued for about 10 minutes. And they asked me what is horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbine and which is better for which application. So this one I told.
So
Then, sir,
are
for
they asking about
mathematics
Kaplan
part,
and
they asked me to the
are they asking about Kaplan turbine and all?
sir.
I mean, Shivam, are they asking about Kaplan turbine and all? Horizontal and vertical axis, yeah.
No, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir. They were not into that much depth. They just wanted to know like whether you know this one, like
Acha. Hmm.
what are the applications of these turbine in different places. More on the
Okay.
project aspect, sir.
Okay.
Uh, then they asked a question on mathematics to plot a graph of e to the power x, e to the power minus x, and that's all, sir. Then interview got over. It was
तो
about 15 minutes, sir.
कितने प्रोफेसर थे वहां पे?
Then, sir, next one is sir.
How many professors in Gandhinagar?
Hello, sir.
How many professors were there in Gandhinagar,
Sir,
Shivam?
Gandhinagar, sir, 4 to 5 in the panel.
Okay, okay.
I exactly don't remember the number, sir. Yes. Then, sir, next interview was the IIT Ropar interview, sir. I did not do good in that, sir. They asked me questions on the to draw a graph of sine x by x, and there I got stuck, sir, because I don't know. I wasn't able to figure it out at that time, sir.
Okay.
And they asked me to write the Navier-Stokes equation, which I did correctly. Then, sir, again this question came up. Why not? There was this professor. She asked me about why not MS? Why only PhD? Because that is also a research course. And there, sir, I gave the answer that eventually I want to be into a research field, and PhD will give me a lot more time to focus on some really research projects, research problems. But in MS, the time is a constraint, but for PhD, that is not the case. But sir, somehow they were not convinced with my answer. And they even told me to prepare concepts more on depth and later on apply again. They told you are in final year and apply later, we'll see. But now focus more on concepts, build more concepts. That's all, sir. And
And
so
now
for
we come
today,
to main
IIT
IIT
Bombay
Bombay.
interview, yes, sir. So, sir, today they were at first a bit, what to say, surprised, sir, because like mechanical student writing aerospace exam and then applying for PhD and final year too. So they were like, okay. And then they asked me, what all introduce yourself. So there I told about my family background, everything, projects, extracurricular activities. And I also mentioned my NEPTEL course, which I did, Introduction to Aerospace Engineering. So there on, sir, the same professor was in the panel, sir. So he then we interacted for 2 to 3 minutes about how the course was and what he can improve on that. And then, sir, the main interview started. So they asked me what research area you are really focused on. So I told them high speed flows, sir. So then they asked me like how it happened that you went towards this area, like how you got to know your interest matches in this area. So then, sir, I told them about I saw videos of flow visualization on YouTube and how flow visualization techniques work. And basically, like I read books, and that's all how I got introduced to it. Then, sir, they from that I answered that I read about gas dynamics and all. So there they got to know. Then they caught me on that, and they asked question on gas dynamics only, sir. From there on, questions on normal shock, questions on oblique shock, question on reflected Mach wave, reflection wave. These all questions they asked, sir. And then, sir, in the ending, they asked me if there is any other area which you want to focus on in research. So I told low speed aerodynamics, but then sir said it is a very vague area. So try to make more enhanced research proposal. And then they said, okay, you can leave. That's all, sir. That's all happened in the end.
So what was the meaning of make enhanced research proposal? Shivam, क्या मतलब
Sir,
लगता है तुम्हें
make,
से?
yeah, sir, when you are applying for direct PhD, sir, basically they are looking, I feel they are looking at how your basic concepts are first. Second, sir, if you are applying in some good IIT for direct PhD, the other candidates who are coming, no, sir, they are mostly MTech graduates, sir. In my the shortlisted list which I had, sir, in that mostly around 80% of them were MTech graduates, sir. So they have the upper hand, sir, and they also have some research proposal in their mind. So if you really want to take them, what I would suggest is you should go through research papers, even though you don't get the maths and all, that is okay. But you should come up with a problem which is already there from those research papers, and then try to formulate something you should suggest them that this is the area where you really want to work on. For
So let's
example, sir,
just
there is this problem like, yeah. Okay, sir. There is this problem that hypersonic aircrafts are now being made in India, fifth generation fighter aircrafts. So, sir, there this loading bay where they keep all the missiles and all. When it flies at high speed, you open that missile bay, and if you want to drop something, that cavity will occur, right, sir, in the outer boundary. So, sir, that cavity, how the high speed flows will react with that cavity, that is a research problem, sir. Professor in IIT Guwahati is working on that. So somewhat like this, sir, some practical you can approach that way, sir.
So I think the best way is see what professors are doing, and by
Yes, sir.
seeing their research papers, you make a problem for you, right?
Yes, sir.
तो आपने ऐसे तो किया था शिवम, you had made similar to that
Yes, sir.
only.
Yes, sir.
But they didn't like it or what?
Sir, they liked it, I would say, but the thing was, sir, around 14 seats for total 150 candidates,
But I tell
and
you one thing.
80%.
I tell you one
Yes, sir.
thing. They are more interested in BTech guys. Catch them young. They want to catch you young.
Okay.
Because
Yes, sir.
BTech guys, they get better quality actually. Because you will
Okay,
be
sir.
interested in PhD, so they will get you for 4 or 5 years, right?
Yes, sir.
First 1 or 2 years you will learn according to them, and then you will do good research. So they are more interested in BTech. I don't think MTech are more applying, so they will take more MTech. It is not like that actually. So
Yes,
every
sir.
year they take it. Only thing is BTech guys should be really interested in the project. He should be really interested in
Yes, sir.
research. Actually, that is required.
And sir, basic should be like to the core. It should be clear. Like if they ask you any basic concept, you should not go wrong. That's the thing, sir. Yes,
So Shivam, what is your category? Can you tell me that?
sir. I'm a general category.
General category, and you got many calls from these courses, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep applying, Shivam. I think you will surely get
Yes,
into that. And thanks for sharing your experience.